And welcome back to another edition of Tim Short Classic Cars. This is Tim Short Classic Car, driver car / project car. Everybody keeps saying, Sean, when do you get something in that's under $15,000? I'm like, man, that's just a hard car to find that runs and drives, especially in a two-door. You can find more doors for that all day long, but I have looked across this one. I had to take a deep breath there because it's hotter than Hades in here. Today we have a 79 Camaro Z28 car. The floors are solid, the motor's new, the interior needs some love, and the body needs some love. But it's got new carpet in it. The mechanicals of this car is done. This car is ready to ride. But this is a car that you could drive and work on at the same time. She's a good 15-footer. I'm not going to sit here and misrepresent the car because we're going to walk around. We're going to show you some flaws. But she's also cheap at $11,900. She's got a little peeling here, spot here, and here. My thought was just to lay some poppies patina to it or some kind of aftermarket clear and rock it as it is, because this is a car you wouldn't be afraid to take to Walmart. Get a few little dings on. Got some crack in here. She's had some body work in the past. But like I said, the floors on it, I have pictures of floors on the website. They're very nice. So the interior here, she needs an interior kit, which you can buy them about anywhere now for Camaro. This car was a factory AC car, but it's been removed. And I'll stitch in a video of the under the hood because I'm not coordinated enough to raise the hood and also hold a phone. Trunk's nice. Like I said, it's got some surface stuff here. You know, if you're buying this car and you're shipping it to Florida or where you want to work on a car at, I don't want you to get it and not see what's wrong with it. Like I said, mechanicals, you can run this car 80 miles an hour down the highway. Drives really nice. Got some rust action there. New exhaust. New Cragars. Cragars are $1,000 now. Crazy. People wouldn't give them to you. Couldn't give them away. See, it's got some spots here and there. I don't know if this to be an original paint car or not, but it sure looks like it because there's nothing broke down underneath it. I don't represent this car to be a low mile car or anything like that. It shows, I think, 90-some thousand miles on the odometer. But like I said, I don't know that to be true. Motor's been swapped, so it don't really matter anyway. I'll start her up for you. Throw my sweat rag up on the hood, or on the top. That's not the hood. You could bake a cake in this building. And there's my finger again. Everybody gets to know my finger more than they get to see my face. 97054 is what it shows. Fuel gauge does work. Temperature gauge works. Voltmeter works. Got a nice cam hood. Down here too. Oh, she's had some paint work. That's not factory. Get my rag. But like I said, guys, we'll keep this video short today. If you like this car or would like to see any more of our inventory, you can visit us online at timshortclassics.net. Check us out on all our social media at Tim Short Classics. And give us a like, share, follow. We'd love to get to see you We're trying to build a YouTube channel, trying to build a bunch of other channels, anything anybody watches on, because that is the way of the car business anymore, is the internet. So just give us a like, like, tag, share, follow, give us a shout, let us know what you think of this car, leave us a comment down below on YouTube. This car will be online for 11/9. It will be uploaded to the website today. Tomorrow we're to go live on all the marketing sites that we use. So if you're interested in this car, we do have financing available with approved credit. We can get this car financed. It'll actually go like 84 months on a 79 model. So if it's something that you're interested in, just give us a call. It's a 606-225-3225, I think is their number, or 606-437-1303. You can reach us there. It's again the 606-437-1303. Thanks a lot. Hope you all have a great day, and God bless you. And under the hood, we have a brand spanking new 355 crate motor. This thing is clean as a pin. 3-speed transmission mounted up. A lot of money to spend under the hood of the car.